Hello kids, good morning to all. I hope you all are staying at home and staying safe too. Right? Where are you now? Are you at home? Right? When you are coming out, what you can see? This nature, right? So beautiful nature, right? So we can see, we will see sun, moon, stars, trees, right? Roads, right? So we see many other things, right? There's a waterfall. So these which are very important for us, right? So from trees we'll get shade, right? So we can stand when there is very heat. So we can stand under the tree, right? It gives us shade, right? Waterfalls. So we can get water from this, right? So sun, right? So without sunlight, can we see anything? We can, but still the light which is need for our body, for the trees, for all the creatures. So sunlight is very important. Night, right? So we need to sleep when it is beautiful, dark and getting a breeze, cold breeze, then only we can sleep at night. And when the atmosphere like that, we feel to sleep, right? So when we in that darkness, we can see the stars which is shining, right? So these are who? These are made by the God, right? It is created by the God. So it's what? These are heavenly friends. They are helping us, right? In many ways, right? From the trees, plants, we are getting food. From the sunlight only, we are getting food, right? How? Because to grow trees, so we need sunlight, we need water, then only it can grow, right? So these nature, right? So this heavenly friends are very important for us, right? That only we are going to learn for today's class. Okay, so have you seen the sky? What do you see in the sky? When you see the sky, what you can see? You can see sun, moon and the stars, right? And the birds which are flying, right? So look at the pictures and put right mark in the box on the things which you see in the sky. So can you see the first picture? What is that? It's a river. When you see up, can you see the river? No, right? So you should cross it. When you see up at the night, when you see the sky at the night, what you see? You see moon. So yes, so you just tick this. And the sun, yes. Have you seen trees? Yes. Is it in the sky? No, right? So it's a cross mark. Road. So yes, it's a cross mark. There is no road to reach the sky, right? So here it's wrong. So you can see the stars, right? So what you can see? You can see the stars, right? Which is blinking, right? So here you can see the sun, moon and the stars. Now tell your friends the things you see in the sky during the day and during the night. Look at the picture and say. Now see, when there is a sunlight, we can see everything which is around us, right? So we can see there is trees, there's benches, there's a board, there is a table, right? There's a lake, there's houses, right? These we can see in a day. In a day means what? Munjane, right? So in that period we can see everything very clearly, right? So now tell me what you see in the night. Sky. Even this you can see, but it's not clear in that time. At night, it's little dark. There is no light. We can't see, right? So here, tell what happens when the sun sets. What do you see in the sky during night? When the sun sets means when the sun got at the evening, when the sun set, when the sunrise, it's a morning, then it will come down, right? At the evening, he will set, right? In that time, the moon will arrive, right? That time, the moon will come. Then what you can see? Stars and the moon, right? The stars are very far from away from the earth, so they look dots, right? So if you see how it looks very small because we are staying in earth, right? So from earth to sky there is a lot of difference. When we see this look very small, right? So they look like a small dot, right? When you see up, they are shining, right? So when you go to near, they are more big. It's like a big stone. The big stones which is shining. Okay. So from here it's look like a small crystal, right? So but it is, the stars are very big. Okay. Now see the next exercise. Okay. Now see, match the pictures with the words. So here, what is this? Sun, right? So here the moon, and the star. Okay. So here they had given moon and the stars and the sun. So what is this? It's a sun. So we'll connect here. This is moon. We'll connect here. And this is stars. So we will connect here. Alright. So now see so what you have to do? You have to match and correct words. Now see the next exercise. Play the game. So there is a small game. Draw a circle in a classroom. Draw the sun. Circle, moon, star as it shown in a picture. Okay. So like this. Here is a sun. Here is the stars and the moon. Okay. Right. So now what you have to do? You have to draw this picture. Stand around the circle with your friends. Start moving around the circle. Let one blow the whistle. When the sound of the whistle is heard, let them stop moving. Let them see where they are standing and name the heavenly friend. Okay, when you have to stand, you have to move like this. When they say stop, some are here and some are here. right? It's a day, and here the night, right? So here you can see, you can play this game. It is more fun, kids. Okay, so here there's a small rhyme. Okay, here comes the sun, with him he brings some fun. The day now looks so bright and gay, we only want to sing and play. I simply love to count the stars and chant a song for long, long hours. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. You may heard this rhyme in many times, right? So, where are the dots? Where are the dots here? Where are the little stars? In the sky, right? So here, what the sun is getting? He is bringing some fun. When the sun comes, you also wake up and do all your things, right? So, and what you'll do? Looks so bright. How the sun is looking? He is looking very bright. We only want to sing and play. Now, in the morning, what you'll do? You go out and play lot of game, right? So here, and which song you have to sing? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay. Now, do this. Count the star in the sky during night with your friends. So, have you tried this one? Have you counted the stars? It's very difficult, right? There are more stars. These are uncountable. So, we can't count these stars, but we can try, right? So, just try to calculate those numbers of star, kids. Okay. So, here, with the help of your teacher or elder, know the difference between different names of the sun and moon and stars. There are many, what we say is about a solar system, right? So, what we say for the sun, Surya, right? So, Udaya. There are many other names we know. Sanjay, Sahaja. So, there are many other names we know for the sun, moon and the stars, nakshatra, right? So, here that's a small activity. Join the dots and color this. When you join this, what it will be look like? What is this? Sun, right? So, you can trace it and color it. Now, what is the next picture? Star. So, how you have, there's already they had given. What you have to do? You have to color it. And the moon, right? So, you enjoy watching all those things, right? So, whether it's a morning or a night. So, when this is earth, okay, when we are living in the earth only, right? So, what the sun will do? He will turn like this. When he comes this side, it's a morning. When he is here, it's a night, right? So, it will rotate. Right, when it is earth, it will rotate. So, that's what we can see, whether it's a night or day or night. So, these are what is meant for nature, right? So, we should not spoil this, right? So what you may have to do, we have to be more careful with our nature. So we always respect. So what we have to do, we should see around us, right, and we should enjoy this nature, and we should not spoil our environment, right. So this is all about today's class, kids. What? Our heavenly friends, right. So when they are with us, it makes more beautiful. We can see many things, right. So we enjoy watching the stars too, right. So this is all about today's class, kids. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.